Have you ever noticed how gut health can change the way you feel as you get older? Many seniors struggle with digestion, but the good news is that the right foods can make a huge difference. As we age, our gut health can start to decline, leading to issues like bloating, constipation, and even malnutrition. This can have a ripple effect on our overall health, making it harder to enjoy life to the fullest. A healthy gut is essential for seniors, and it's never too late to make positive changes. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. It's not just about digestion. A healthy gut impacts our immune system, energy levels, and even mental clarity. By focusing on gut health, seniors can improve their quality of life and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Gut health plays a vital role in our immune system, and seniors are no exception. A healthy gut helps to boost the immune system, reducing the risk of illnesses and infections. It's amazing how something as simple as food can have such a profound impact on our health. As we age, our gut health affects digestion, immunity, and mental health in many ways. Digestive issues can lead to malnutrition, while a weakened immune system can make us more susceptible to illnesses. Mental health is also linked to gut health, with research showing that a healthy gut can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. In seniors, the gut-brain connection is especially important. Research has shown that there's a strong link between gut health and cognitive function. By eating the right foods, seniors can support their brain health and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. So, what foods can help heal the gut? Let's start with fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods help to feed the good bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Berries, leafy greens, and legumes are all great options. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are also must-haves for gut health. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote healing in the gut. And don't forget about fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. They're packed with probiotics that support gut health. In addition to these foods, seniors should also consider incorporating gut-friendly foods like bone broth, ginger, and turmeric into their diet. These foods have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the gut and promote healing. Probiotic-rich foods like kombucha and kefir can also make a big difference. They help to populate the gut with beneficial bacteria, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. And for seniors who struggle with digestive issues, foods like bananas, rice, and applesauce can be gentle on the gut. Some seniors may worry that these foods are hard to find or prepare, but that's not the case. Many of these gut-friendly foods are easily accessible and can be incorporated into daily meals. For example, adding berries to oatmeal or yogurt can be a delicious and easy way to support gut health. Common dietary challenges can hinder gut healing in seniors. Food restrictions, accessibility issues, and changes in taste or appetite can make it hard to get the nutrients needed. But with a little creativity, seniors can overcome these challenges and support their gut health. Practical solutions can make a big difference. For example, meal planning and prep can help seniors stay on track with their gut-friendly diet. Cooking in bulk and freezing meals can also make it easier to incorporate gut-friendly foods into daily meals. Easy recipes can also make a big difference. For example, a simple smoothie bowl with yogurt, berries, and spinach can be a nutritious and delicious way to start the day. And for seniors who struggle with cooking, there are many gut-friendly meal delivery services and online resources available. In conclusion, a healthy diet is essential for gut healing in seniors. By incorporating gut-friendly foods into their daily meals, seniors can improve their overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's never too late to make positive changes and support gut health. To recap, the key points are that gut health affects digestion, immunity, and mental health in seniors. By eating gut-friendly foods like fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, fatty fish, and fermented foods, seniors can support their gut health and overall well-being. If you have any thoughts or questions about gut health and nutrition for seniors, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and related videos on senior nutrition and gut health. Thanks for watching.